Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Last year this was our garden, but many things have changed since last year. As you know, this year there was an extreme heat wave in Delhi. Not only in Delhi, but all over India. And in that heat wave, many of our plants also died. This is a periwinkle plant. We have just planted it from cuttings a few days ago. Some of them already have some flowerings, but we are cutting them so we can get more lateral branchings. Here, my mom is also removing some weeds side by side. As you know, it is the rainy season in Delhi right now, so there is a lot of water logging happening in plants. Due to this, plants may die due to root rot. Even though we have good drainage system, there is still stagnant water. So my mom is making holes near the plant so that the water can pass through easily. Not only that, but also she checked the drainage holes to see if they were clogged or not. Do you know there are many uses of this periwinkle plant? Such as it prevents brain disorders, sore throats, toothache, etc. Not only that, we can also make tea from this. We have already uploaded in our channel on how you can make periwinkle flower tea. As you can see, after a while the plants had lateral branchings. My mom cut the tips of those plants which were still short. Now we just have to take care of the plant and it will be bushier. Now you just need to keep on watering it whenever the soil is dry and make sure to give it a balanced, slow releasing fertilizer. My mom prefers kitchen waste compost as the fertilizer. Oh, and one more important thing, make sure to always dig your soil. Digging your plant before giving any fertilizer helps the plant to absorb more nutrients from it. I hope this periwinkle plant grows big and bushy like before. That's all for today. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.